In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 common mistakes people make right after eating. Mistakes that can lead to obesity, to constipation, discomfort, and even long-term health problems. Also, इस वीडियो में आपको जानने को मिलेगा some simple ways to fix them. So let's get started. We eat to stay healthy and pick good food to stay fit. But कभी-कभी हम मिस्टेक कर बैठते हैं और ये मिस्टेक करने के बाद जो हम खाते हैं उससे कुछ बेनिफिट से नहीं होता है. Rather, we get health problems. Number 5. Drinking water after meal. Do you often drink a glass of water right after the meal? Just after the meal, our body temperature rises. When we drink water after a meal, the gastric juice gets diluted. इससे क्या होता है? The food which we eat doesn't get digested properly. You feel bloated, heavy, and sleepy. It's the same way like you put water on the fire. What happens? The flame dies out, but it leaves behind smoke. खाना खाने के बाद तुरंत आपको पानी नहीं लेना चाहिए. तो आप कब ले सकते हो? Around 40 to 60 minutes after your meal. If you're too thirsty, just have a sip. 2 या 3 sip ले लीजिए. Not a full glass. Or you can have few sip of warm water, which is easier to digest. Number 4. Having fruits after a meal. कभी आप पार्टी में जाते हो, किसी फ्रेंड के साथ मीट करते हो. After your meal, you would like to eat some sweets. But if you are health conscious, if you are alone, instead of sweet, you would rather shift to fruits. But in this case, you are harming yourself. जब आप खाना खाते हो, it takes around 5 to 6 hours to get digested. Whereas a fruit, just think about an apple. आपने एप्पल खाया. That apple, it takes maximum 1 hour to reach the intestine. In such case, क्या होगा अभी? You have the meal which you have taken. It will block the apple. Same way, just imagine a bus in a narrow road and a bike behind. The bike cannot overtake only because the bus has taken the entire road. In this case, हमारा जो खाना है, it is blocking the fruit. As a result, fermentation happens, which cause bloating and you feel gassy. Solution क्या है? खाने से पहले fruits खाइए. And yes, mango is an exception. Next, lying down right after eating. Do you feel like lying down after a meal? Or do you feel sleepy immediately after eating? Well, if this is the case, it means that you have overeaten. Your body is using its entire energy to digest that extra food. So, you suddenly feel tired. But here's the real problem. Sleeping right after the meal is a big mistake. इससे क्या होता है? When you lie down immediately, your digestion becomes slow. Your metabolism drops and your body start storing more fat. This lead to weight gain and acidity. Ayurveda कहते हैं food gets digested best when you sit upright. तो क्या करना चाहिए आपको? Sit upright for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Take a light walk, say around 100 steps. Keep at least 2-hour gap between dinner and sleep. Next, exercise after a meal. Do you hit the gym? Do you go for jogging or swimming or do some yoga right after the meal? If so, stop it today. It can cause acidity and a heavy feeling in the stomach. Exercising right after your meal will disrupt your digestion because blood is sent to the muscles instead of the stomach. The only exercise which you can do after dinner is Vajrasana. It pushes blood towards the stomach and helps in digestion. A light 15-minute walk is also advisable. Bathing after the meal. Do you have your breakfast first and then go for a bath? Or you return from your work, you have your dinner and then go for a bath? Well, please stop it today because this will surely hamper your digestive system. After eating, the body directs the blood flow towards the stomach and the digestive organs to process the food. Bathing, especially with cold or cool water, redirects blood circulation towards the skin and that disrupts the digestion. You had a wonderful balanced meal and you feel आज तो अच्छा लगा खाना खा के, मुझे अच्छा भी लग रहा है. But as you take bath immediately, the digestion gets weaker and the food sits inside you for a longer time उससे क्या होता है, टॉक्सिन्स डेवलप होता है। तो आपको कब नहाना चाहिए? एटलीस्ट 1 hour after the meal. So by now you have understood when to drink water, when not. Which one you feel is more relatable to you? Let me know in the comment. Namaskaram.